Welcome back to Gear Run, the channel where we dive deep into the heart of high-performance machines and uncover what makes them truly special. Today, we are thrilled to explore one of the most electrifying supercars of the future, the Lamborghini Huracán 2025. Let us take a ride through its specs, features, and the incredible craftsmanship that continues to define the spirit of Lamborghini. The Lamborghini Huracán 2025 brings a refined yet aggressive evolution of its predecessors. Under the hood, it houses a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces a breathtaking 640 horsepower. This monstrous power is managed through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing lightning-fast shifts that make acceleration brutally efficient. The Huracán 2025 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 2.9 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 202 miles per hour. This performance is complemented by Lamborghini's latest all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction and control even under the most challenging conditions. The design of the 2025 Huracán is both stunning and functional. Every curve, every sharp line, and every air intake has been engineered to improve aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. Lamborghini has enhanced the front and rear fascia, giving the Huracán an even more aggressive stance while optimizing airflow. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum have been extensively used in the chassis and bodywork, keeping the car nimble and sharp on both track and street. Inside the cabin, the Huracán 2025 feels like a fighter jet for the road. The cockpit is driver-focused, with an updated digital instrument cluster providing a customizable display of all critical information. New for this model year is an upgraded infotainment system with faster processing, sharper graphics, and seamless smartphone integration. Lamborghini has also improved interior comfort, offering more supportive seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with multiple customization options to truly make the cabin your own. Technologically, the Huracán 2025 takes a big leap forward. It features a state-of-the-art active suspension system that adjusts in real time to road conditions and driving style. The Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system, or LDVI, now works even smarter, coordinating all vehicle dynamics for a perfectly balanced and exhilarating drive. Safety has not been overlooked either, with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system to make urban driving less stressful without taking away from the pure driving experience. Sound has always been a huge part of the Lamborghini allure, and the 2025 Huracán continues that tradition. The V10 engine roars to life with a ferocity that sends chills down your spine, and a newly tuned exhaust system amplifies this soundtrack, especially in the sportier drive modes. Whether cruising through the city or tearing down an open highway, the Huracán's sound is unmistakable and absolutely addictive. Customization is key for Lamborghini owners, and the Huracán 2025 offers an extensive range of exterior colors, wheel designs, brake caliper finishes, and interior trims. Lamborghini's Ad Personam program allows owners to create a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece, reflecting their personal style and taste down to the finest detail. In every way, the Lamborghini Huracán 2025 is a celebration of raw performance, Italian craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. It stays true to its roots while embracing the future, ensuring that Lamborghini continues to inspire passion among supercar enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for joining us today on Gear Run as we explored the incredible Lamborghini Huracán 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more content about the world's most exciting vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Gear Run is your home for all things fast, fierce, and unforgettable. See you in the next video.